Callaway County, Hocking County, Southern Fairfield County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Adelphi, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Hocking Hill State Park, Logan, Bremen. In addition, Buena Vista, South Bloomingville, Clearport, Gibsonville, Sugar Grove, Islesboro, Rockbridge, and Enterprise are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the